Golden opportunity to own a plot developed by KHP in a prestigious locality of Bangalore. Welcome to KHP Surya City Layout, Asia's largest township. This massive project, featuring 36,000 premium plots, is a significant contribution from the Karnataka Housing Board to Bengaluru. Location and accessibility. Surya City Layout is strategically located on Swami Vivekananda Road, near the Jigni industrial area, accessible from Anekal, Jigni, and Bannerghatta roads. It's adjacent to well-known establishments like Vyasa Arogya Dhama, Prashanti Kutiram, and Svyasa Yoga University. You'll find well-equipped residential plots developed by KHP and also land owner share sites available here, offering a unique chance to fulfill your dream of owning a home. Experts predict that investing in a KHP Surya City plot will definitely be profitable and double your investment. KHP Surya City Phase 4, a vision for the future. KHP Surya City Phase 4, spanning 2,400 acres, is a unique and prestigious layout developed by the Karnataka Housing Board. The infrastructure developed here will form a strong foundation for future growth. Surya City Phase 4 is STRR approved and BMRDA sanctioned, offering excellent residential plots with A Khatha and E Khatha. There's also an expectation that this area will soon be included within BBMP limits. Plot dimensions and directions. In Surya City Phase 4, premium plots of various dimensions are available, including 30x40, 30x50, 40x60 and 50x80 dimensions. You can choose plots facing east, west, north and south. Connectivity and infrastructure. Surya City Phase 4 benefits from the presence of both the STRR, Satellite Town Ring Road, and PRR, Peripheral Ring Road, passing through it, along with connectivity to the state highway. As a result, this layout has quickly become an extremely popular and prestigious locality. The Satellite Town Ring Road (STRR) project, a hotspot for investors, has significantly contributed to the real estate growth in areas like Bannerghatta and Jigni. This project provides excellent road connectivity, making many towns instantly accessible. The Satellite Town Ring Road (STRR) project is envisioned to connect 4 major national highways to Bengaluru city. This route will link 12 satellite towns, including Dabaspete, Tumkuru Road, Dhodda Ballapura, Hindupura Road, Devanhalli, Hyderabad Road, Sulibele, Hoskote, Kolar Road, Sarjapura, Attibele, Anekal, Thali Road, Tattekere, Kankapura, Kolegala Road, Ramnagar, Mysore Road, Magadi, Kunigal Road, Mangalore Road, and Hosur, Chennai Road. This route also passes through the eco-sensitive zone (ESZ) of Bannerghatta National Park (BNP). Intermediate town ring roads around these towns are reserving space to form the basis for future metro rail projects, enabling easy travel towards Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The demand for plots in Jigni, Anekal, and Bannerghatta areas has increased due to the satellite ring road, which will be highly profitable for plot buyers in the future. For this reason, Jigni has become a hotspot for real estate investors. This is the most suitable area and time to invest in property. Amenities within the layout. The layout features 30, 40, 60, 80, and 100 feet wide roads and safe pedestrian pathways for smooth traffic flow. There's a 24/7 Kaveri water supply system with 30 overhead tanks, each with a capacity of 20 lakh liters, installed at various locations for water security. For easy access to public transport, 100 acres of spacious bus terminals have been proposed. For sports and fitness, athletic stadiums and large outdoor stadiums are being constructed on a 60-acre area. For tourism and a landmark, a Vivekananda theme park spanning 125 acres and featuring a Statue of Unity is under construction. To enhance lifestyle and provide a unique shopping experience, the construction of extensive commercial complexes is also actively underway, aiming to elevate the standard of living. Why invest here? If you don't purchase a plot here, you'll miss out on a rare opportunity to double your profit. Jigni, located near Jigni Road, Bommasandra, Electronic City Road, and Bannerghatta Road, which are among Bengaluru's longest roads and concentrated with numerous IT companies, has become a realty hub for plot buyers. Jigni Link Road, near Otis Circle and just a few minutes from Surya City Phase 4, is a major industrial corridor in Bengaluru.
Toyota Industries Engine India Private Limited, Biocon Limited, Cipla Limited, Apotex Pharmachem, HCL Technologies Limited, Microlabs Limited, Dole Fruits Vegetables India Private Limited, Futura Kitchen Sinks India Private Limited, MVD Fasteners Private Limited, Stelis Biopharma Private Limited, Merck Life Science Private Limited, Seat Transformers Private Limited, PM Technologies, Shreyas Industrial Fasteners, Jason Engineering Private Limited, Bal Pharma Limited, SGF Fab Industries, Zenith Rubber Private Limited, Rajalakshmi Coated Wires Private Limited, Pretech Plast Private Limited, LAP India Private Limited.
This area requires homes for over 1 lakh workers employed in various small and large companies. If you purchase a plot in Surya City Phase 4, build a house, and rent it out, you can earn lakhs of rupees in income. This is an ideal place to buy a plot and build a home to live in. If you buy a plot for investment, there's a guarantee that your investment will double after 2 years. By purchasing a 100% legal plot here, your investment and the plot itself will be completely secure. Amenities: gated community, large entrance arch to the township, children's play area, electricity and street lighting throughout the township, well-equipped and spacious parks, rainwater harvesting system installed, underground drainage lines, underground electric and water lines, 24/7 Kaveri water, 30 overhead tanks. Nearby educational institutions: Christ Academy, Radcliffe School, Presidency School, Candor International School, Delhi Public School, BGS National Public School, Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Sarla Birla Education Center, PES University, Surana Vidyalay, AECS Magnolia Maruti Public School. Hospitals near the layout: Apollo Hospital, Fortis Hospital, Narayana Hridayalaya Hospital, Vikram Hospital, Vijayashri Hospital, YK Hospital, Sparsh Hospital. For more information, contact 7411554412. Golden Gateway to your future. Resolve today to build your dream home in Surya City.